Hey guys, so today we are going to be comparing numbers. That means that we're going to look at two numbers and we're going to try to see which number is larger and which number is smaller, which number is greater and which one is less than, or if they're equal. Yes. All right, so for comparing numbers, the first thing that I'm going to show you is this symbol. This is a less than or greater than symbol. So depending on which direction it's facing, it tells you if this number is less than or if this number is greater than. And the way that I like to remember it is that this is a little alligator. And alligators or Pac-Mans, whatever, is eating. It is always really, really hungry, and it wants to eat the thing that is larger. So it is always going to want to eat the larger number. So I will show you. Let me show you, okay? All right, so I have two numbers. I'm gonna put a blank in between them. And I wanna figure out which one is larger. Is 8 less than or is it greater than 2? So I have my little symbol. Remember, my symbol always wants to eat the larger number. Now, you may be asking yourself, how can I tell which of these numbers are larger? You may already know which one's larger. I'm just going to turn it that way so I don't give you any hints. You may already know which one's larger. If you don't, something that you can use is a number line. Now, you may say, I don't have a number line in my house. Well, you do have a ruler. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look on this ruler and I'm going to look for the number 8, which is right here. And I'm going to look for the number 2, which is down here. So 2 and 8. When you're counting, you get to 2 before you get to 8. 2 is less than or smaller than 8. So which one is smaller? Or which one's larger? That's the question I want to ask. Which one's a bigger number? The bigger number is going to be further down on your number line. So the bigger number would be 8. 8 is a larger number. So remember, my symbol is greedy and it always wants to eat the larger number. So it's going to face that way, larger. Okay? So 8 is greater than 2. Let's try another one. Okay, I have another question up here. I have 3 blank 6. We need to figure out which symbol needs to go here. If it's the less than symbol or the greater than symbol. Okay? So, I can use a number line again. And let's see, where is the number 3 on this number line? 1, 2, 3. Here's 3. 3. Now my other number is 6. Where's the number 6 on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember, as you go further down the number line, your numbers are getting larger. So which of these two numbers is larger? 3 or 6? Which one is larger or greater? Excellent job. 6 is greater. So my little man, my little Pac-Man, he's going to want to eat the larger number. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Let's do another set of numbers. All right. So here is my next number. But wait a second. 13. 13's not on this ruler. It stops at 12. So you can either make your own number line and put your numbers on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I don't have much room for 15. So you can make your own number line, or you can use counters. Let me get some counters. All right, so I don't have any actual counters in my house, but I do have rhinestones. So I'm gonna do rhinestones. So my first number is what? It's 10. So I'm gonna put out 10 purple rhinestones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And my second number is 13. Good. So I'm going to put out 13 rhinestones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 rhinestones. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to partner them up and I'll see which one has more. So they both have 1, they both have 2, they both have 3, they both have 4, they both have 5, they both have 6, they both have 7, they both have 8, they both have 9, and they both have 10. But look, which one has more? Yep, this one. This one has 3 more than the other one. So which one is larger? The one with more is the one that's larger. So which one is larger? Excellent job. 13 is larger. So remember, my Pac-Man, he always wants to eat the larger number. So he wants to eat the 13, which means that 10 is less. 10 is less than 13. All right. So what if you don't have any counters and the numbers aren't on your ruler and you don't want to write all those numbers? You don't want to write up to the number 16 or the number 13. Well, the other way that you can solve this problem is by doing dots. So we're going to do 16 dots. Now I have to be very careful with my dots. They need to be very, very neat. Okay? So I'm going to do 16 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, I need to stop at 16 because I was doing 16 dots. Now, how many dots am I going to do over here? I'm going to do 13 dots. Remember, they need to be very, very neat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now it looks like this line is longer than this line, but that could have just been the way I drew my dots. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to partner each one of these up. So these two are going to be partners. They both have 1. They both have 2. They both have 3. They both have 4. They both have 5. They both have 6. They both have 7. They both have 8. They both have 9. They both have 10. They both have 11. They both have 12. They both have 13. And look at how many weren't partnered up. There are 3 that are not partnered up. So which one has more? The one that has more is greater. Excellent job. 16 has more. So which direction does my Pac-Man need a face? Does it need a face so that it's eating the 16 or so that it's eating the 13? Excellent job. It needs a face so that it's eating the 16 because it always wants to eat the larger number. 16 is greater than 13. Excellent job comparing numbers with me today, guys. So I've shown you 3 different ways that you can use to compare numbers. Now on Google Classroom, I have like a little quiz. It's not really a quiz because I'm not grading it based on whether or not you're right. I'm just looking to see if you were paying attention and how well you understand. So it's okay if you get some of them wrong. That just means that's something that I need to work on, especially when we get back to school next year. So I have 5 questions that I want you to complete. You're just going to figure out which of those symbols, like which symbol you're going to use, which alligator, if it's greater than, less than, or if they're equal for 5 different sets of numbers. So you're just going to go through and compare 5 different numbers. It's really easy. Y'all can do it. I know you can. Other than that, guys, have a wonderful day. Make sure you wash your hands, listen to your parents, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye! Comparing numbers.